Hello! We're soldering today. We'll show you how to solder.
So we have a plain wire right here, and we already
You use this to
strip
strip the wire.
and we already did it. And should we demonstrate it? Yeah. I'm gonna strip a little bit more of it. So you just take the wire and then you just pull up, and then you strip the wire. So now, since it's frayed here, you gotta twist it. So we have a circuit board right here, and is that that's the circuit board.
We have a circuit board,
And we put these wires in it.
but first we have to put solder on the wire.
Oh, do you want me to do this, and then you can do this? This is a soldering iron, and this is the solder, and we have to cover a layer of solder onto the wire first. Move it up a little bit so you don't get burned. So, ready? Oh, that's.
Okay.
And as you can see, some of the solder falls.
And that's what it ends up looking like with the solder on it.
And then if you need to straighten it out, you just take your soldering iron and just run it over just to flatten out the sides. And then you clean the iron with this like cleaning tool. It's like for like washing dishes or something, but you clean it so it's nice and clean. Why not? So it won't go through, so we have to flatten it out. So what this is called is like, and then it's like a sucker thingy that you have to use to take out extra solder on the circuit board if you have too much. Do you have, is there too much on?
Yeah.
Alright. We've been going for 2 minutes.
That's okay.
So, now since you put it through, you bend it over to make it like stay.
And then you're going to want to add a little bit of solder onto the base of it.
Here, get a little like
there.
So if you have like too much on like wire, so if you have too much on the wire, like too much solder, like
You can
like this,
you
can
get it off.
use
Through
that
here.
to get it off, like suck it out of the board. So yeah,
That's about it.
that's basically how you solder some wires together.